Experiencing data connection problems with your Google Fi SIM card? Don't worry, most issues are easily resolved. The primary reasons for data loss include incorrect APN settings, network congestion, or software glitches. Start by ensuring your APN settings are correctly configured for Google Fi. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names. Verify that the APN is set to H2G2 for data and fast.tmobile.com for MMS. Next, confirm that your preferred network mode is set to LTE or 5G for optimal performance. A quick toggle of airplane mode can also refresh your connection. If the problem persists, check for any pending software updates for your Android device, as outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. This section covers advanced solutions and future trends for Google Fi data connection issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try reactivating your SIM via the Google Fi app. This often resolves software-related issues. For users in rural areas with weak signals, consider using an external antenna to boost connectivity. Remember that Google Fi is increasingly shifting towards eSIM-only plans, aiming to enhance security and reduce tampering. In the future, AI-driven diagnostics within the Fi app will likely auto-detect and fix common issues. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Google Fi support through the app, as their AI chatbot now handles a large portion of queries. Keep an eye on software and app updates, as Google is constantly working to improve network reliability and SIM compatibility, especially with newer Android devices. By 2027, advanced technologies like quantum-secure SIMs and integrated satellite connectivity may further eliminate connectivity problems.